sharing your feelings with someone when you're on the verge of death brings some sort of comfort to you humans. It's an instinct to help minimize your fear and sorrow. But in reality, it is impossible to know another's emotions. Empathy is simply a meaningless human delusion. Your heart, you say? You humans always toss around that word so casually, as if it's something you can hold in the palm of your hand. But my eyes can see everything. Nothing exists that I can't see. So if I can't see it, it's not real. That is what I believe. Tell me, what is a heart? If I tore a hole in your chest, would I see it? If I split open your skull,